Oh my God, Frankie, look! We're going to the corner. Go in this side. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
That's a nice one. Yeah. So, erstmal einen wunderschönen guten Tag, meine sehr verehrten Damen und Herren. Ja, herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Video. Ganz spontan, ich habe gesagt, ganz spontan, wenn Misha hier ist, dann machen wir einfach ein komplettes Video da draußen. Ne? Es macht ja gar keinen Sinn, jetzt einfach hier nur mal 5 Minuten in das Video mit reinzupacken. Wir werden jetzt ein bisschen Spaß haben. Es geht nach Spa-Francorchamps, Freunde.
Spa-Francorchamps, ein bisschen weiß hier, ja. Ein bisschen kalt.
Auch ein bisschen wenig.
Wenig, ne? Ja, wir haben keine
alles flat.
Wir haben noch Rouge, können wir auch vielleicht flat nehmen. Aber ja, trotzdem, macht Spaß. For me it's easier when we switch to English, to be honest, especially when we drive these fantastic cars. First of all, Frankie, how are you doing?
Fine, very fine. It's a lovely place, the best weather that I ever have here. It's so nice. It's minus 50 or 20?
Minus, yeah, I think by now 15. In the morning was close to minus 20.
And it's sunny.
It's amazing. It's like
I hope we see the polar lights this night.
Yeah, we saw them last night already.
Yeah.
So
but last night it was
just a bit. But that's how they are. Yeah. It's like, you know, they're like life. Like it moves really fast. If you don't stop to look around at it, you can miss it. The same with cars. Sometimes you need to appreciate the beauty that you get to drive such a beautiful machine in such conditions, chasing your friends sideways. Yeah. Look, he has all-wheel drive with his Toyota Yaris, and we're just free-wheel drive with our 992. We're still able to keep up nicely with him. It's beautiful. What was your favorite moment of here so far?
Well, my favorite moment was yesterday. We landed. Just for a minute we are at the airport, and then here are the cars and drive.
Yeah.
Say, okay, not check in a hotel or something. No, you can drive.
Yeah.
And that's for me. I love it.
I must say, I said it to Adrian, my camera guy, already. It's one of the better, or probably one of the best, if not the best, organized events that I've been to.
Yeah.
Because quite often you go to a car launch, a press launch, or even something like that, and they try to accommodate everything for everyone. So they think like, this lifestyle influencer, they want something like this.
Really?
And here, like here are the cars. Have fun, do what you want with it, and that's amazing. Like,
and it don't feel like an influencer event.
No,
it's we're with friends here.
That's
my feeling. It's like with friends. We have so much fun.
Yeah.
Wake up in the morning, eat something.
And the cool thing is that because yesterday we already have driven so much, by now people are like, oh, you want to hop in with me? Like, yeah. You want to do GT3 lap? Yeah. Or I don't. Like, everyone's so easy, so cool. It's this corner I keep messing up. The biggest issue with especially driving on ice or with drifting or counter steering is not when you catch the car, but when you do too much counter steering, because then you go into the other way. You see it quite often, like in the failed crash videos that people...
Yeah, it's the second turn. Not the first. You get it, and then
bam, too much. That's the biggest thing.
That was my first big crash with the Mazda MX-5.
Really?
Yes. At rainy day, I think, okay, everything, okay, I got it, and then it to another and crash.
Indeed.
Yeah, and that's it. I have the car 5 days.
And that's the best part about driving on ice, because, like I said, everything happens in slow motion. You get so much more feedback from the car. Oh, someone sent it too hard.
Who put it up?
My help after a few 100 meters.
There he is.
I'm
gonna take it easy here to not to upset the instructor. But yeah, driving.
That's Alex.
Yep. Yeah. Well, he's too excited because all-wheel drive.
Man.
They don't have a Yaris in the US, so that's why he really wanted to try.
It's a very good car for you. I think so. You drive this one?
No, I haven't driven it here. I don't like the Yaris, to be honest.
Okay.
So I like this more. Rear-wheel drive. The weight in the rear. But yeah, what I was saying, the driving on ice is really something that probably benefited me the most when it comes to becoming a better driver for car control. Because here you have the space to mess up. You know exactly what happens when, and this you can transform later on with driving on the dry. Well, mostly you don't drift unless you're actually doing drifting, like France, for example. But when something goes wrong, you can actually catch it in a very right way. And this is just like also so much more.
This on a Nürburgring?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
That's it. And here you have the space and time to mess around a bit. It's amazing. And it's good for the mental health because beautiful views.
This place is so beautiful here.
It is.
30 kilometers on live stream here.
Yeah.
30 kilometers is so much.
It's crazy. What's for you the favorite car?
On the normal track, the Field GT4. I love this car.
Okay.
I love it. I drive it at the Nürburgring at one time.
Yeah.
I love this car.
It is great.
So good and easy to drive. And here, the Boxer. Yeah, I love the Boxer. The Boxer is very light and not so much power, and you can control it.
And that's, that's the paradox that we're living in, because here the lowest power car, because I like the 92 because of the way you can drift around, mess around a bit. Boxer is also amazing. I love it more than other car. And us as YouTubers, content creators, we need to have the fastest, the fanciest, the GT3. I drove the GT3 and there you need to keep the red limiter around like 5,000 RPM, otherwise it's just too much. But everyone on YouTube gonna say like, oh, why don't you redline it to 9,000? Like, yeah, because that's not how you drive.
Yeah.
It's like, and that's always so funny. It's the same what I get also on my Nürburgring videos, because I always, as a driver, you need to be as relaxed as possible, to be prepared to anticipate certain things, and be calm, be one with the car. Yeah. But they was like, oh, how can you be so boring, so bored? Not like, because the stereotype YouTube. Now we're also driving, having casual conversation, but if you want to be fancy on YouTube, like, oh my God, Frankie, look, we're going to the corner, whoa, we crashed the car, and that's good for the views.
Yeah, for the views is very good.
Yeah,
but not for the fun.
No, that's why we're here, to actually practice, have fun, enjoy ourselves, and keep it easy in a third gear. Probably.
I told all the people, or they asked me, why do you drive a Mark MK2?
Yeah,
it's a nice car. Yeah, but you have 150 horsepower. That's not so fast. It's faster than your car.
Yeah, that's
no problem. Yeah, for me it's enough. I have so much fun, and for beginning and learning, it's a perfect car for me.
It is.
Yeah.
For me, also the thing is, especially with the laps that I do on an Notch-Type, I do all kinds of cars from.
Yeah, I see it here on YouTube or on Instagram. 90
horsepower MX-5 to like way too overpowered G80 M3s with 700, 800 horsepower, and even supercars and whatnot. And the laps with the slowest cars are actually usually the most fun, because you get time to enjoy the track, enjoy the car, have a conversation, and that's also, most importantly, that's where the skill matters, because you cannot compensate with the higher horsepower, and that's really good. So when are you coming to the Nürburgring then?
I hope at the 19th March. I hope.
Yes. What are you bringing?
Yeah, the MK2.
Nice.
But I have a problem with the gearbox. And now we put a CA shifter on it. But on the 17th March we put it in, and I hope everything is fine.
Cool.
Yes. And then we will start the season.
Nice.
Yeah.
It looks like I get understanding of this car now again.
Yeah.
Because before this I was driving the GT3 and it was completely different way of driving. And now we can finally feel the balance.
100. That's so fast here.
Yeah, but that's
it's not the real.
It's not the real speed, because the speed is probably. The speed is probably converted to the gearbox, and depending on the speed that you're doing with the rear wheels, that's what it thinks that you're actually doing. But the wheels are constantly in the wheel spin, so that's a good one.
I love how it looks when you drive. It's so easy. It's relaxed. It's not.
That's the key.
Like this.
That's the key. Yeah. You need to be really smooth and relaxed with the car. There's our GT4. Steve driving it.
Yeah.
You were with Steve earlier, huh?
Yeah. Steve was so cool, man.
Yeah.
I love it. But he loved to drive in the second gear and in the yeah.
Good for YouTube, I guess.
Yeah.
thing here always is to look ahead. We're in this corner, but you're actually looking there already because that's where we're going next. And that's how you know.
It's on a normal racetrack too.
It is.
Yeah. When you look there, you drive there.
Yeah. But it's also with Nürburgring in particular because most of the track is actually blind, so you don't know where it's going, but you need to visualize the next corner in your head. And that's the big issue what all the beginner drivers do. Once they get speed a bit, they don't think. You need to always think two, sometimes even 3 corners ahead. Let alone
What's the man? What's the man? The man. Your camera is not straight anymore. You know?
Guys. Yeah, especially in tourist traffic on the ring, you need to think like 3 corners ahead and think like, okay, maybe the next corner is quite dangerous. Maybe someone might have spun. How am I going to anticipate that? And yeah. Like
yes, when I drive in the week. In the week, for me, it's better. I drive 2 hours and no cars on the track, or not so much cars on the track. Better like Saturday or Sunday. It's so much traffic, and the people are crazy. They see you drive and they think, okay, that's Misha. Let's go. We fight him. For what?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
For the golden pineapple.
Yeah. For nothing.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, this is a very good one. Oh yeah.
Oh, no, we're good. Give something very good.
Hey, for YouTube it's good.
Yeah. But the next one is not the best. And that's the thing, you get overconfident. You're like, yes, I'm on it. That's great. Like you bomb. But yeah, that's why I always do not try to show off. Want to do one more? You want to get out? Next one?
Yeah, I think one run here and then I go out. Yeah. Oh, you turn? Yeah. You go out. Yeah, it's a little bit trickier here, I think.
Yeah. It's nice. It's tight. Easy stuck. Come on, Steve. You can do it. And that's probably the issue because he's so high in the rev limiter. You just don't have the control over it. It's another thing that a lot of people comment on my videos when I drive, like, oh, why are you like short shifting this often? Like,
you don't need it.
You don't need it. Like, you don't need these last 3000 RPM quite often, especially with turbo engines, because nothing is happening there. You only generate heat and you just torture the engine.
Yeah, when I drive with my Mark II, I drive only in the 3rd gear.
Yeah.
I don't need the 2nd gear. For what?
Yeah.
Yeah, but at this corner, you're a little bit faster. For what?
Yeah, what for?
Yeah, for what? And here's the same. When you had a good gear in 2nd or 3rd, everything's fine.
With GT3 I was mostly in 3rd gear, but I think here it's a short track, so the 2nd is probably, the 3rd is actually also quite good.
How many rounds to drive, Alex? I think 1.5.
I don't know.
At the last 10 minutes, 1.5.
At least I don't have the highest amount of elk points anymore.
How many points do you have?
I have 2.
2? Okay, I have 2 same.
I had yesterday 1 and
no, I have yesterday
today.
2. That's a nice one. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see the banking. Fuck. I thought I was going straight there.
That is so nice.
Yeah. Shit. I thought we were going straight, that's why I went there. Driver excuse.
Okay. You can change the car.
Yeah.
Okay. So Freunde, das war's jetzt. Eine Runde mit Misha. Vielen Dank.
Ein bisschen mehr als eins. Das war mir
10 Runden.
10 Runden.
20 Runden. Er hat uns auf jeden Fall ein bisschen was erklärt, auch gerade Driften hier angeht, was für mich jetzt geil ist. Ich will auf jeden Fall mit dir mal eine Runde über Nürburgring.
Gerne.
Gerne, dass du mit dem Golf 2 fährst.
Gerne.
Damit ich mal sehe und auch noch mal ein bisschen mehr dazu lernen kann. Das Lustige mit ihm ist auch, wir haben ja schon mehrere Events gemacht. Auch Nürburgring, blind. Du kennst ja jede Ecke, ne?
Curbstone, keep the steering wheel at the same angle, to the outside and back to the right side, to the middle of the track, left curbstone. Das ist so,
ja. Aber du darfst nicht blind fahren, ne? Das geht nicht.
Nee, ich hab blind gefahren auf Beifahrersitz, und als Fahren müssen wir noch machen.
Müssen wir noch?
Ja.
Vielleicht mit dem Golf 2. Ja, vielen Dank, hat mega Spaß gemacht.
Danke
mega
dir.
sympathischer
Das war
Typ.
super.
Ich wünsche euch schon einen schönen Tag, reingehauen, bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao.
Ciao.